Hi everyone. Can you see my screen? Maybe one of you can unmute and let me know. Okay, I saw the chat box message. You can see my screen. Yeah, so thank you for joining the fourth CATI Confab session. We are very happy to see that many of you have been trying Google Jamboard in your sessions. And today's session, a lot of these features, Saumya from ASLP has already tried it. So this morning she was trying it with a kid in her tele session, and it was very successful. So these are already tested features, and I hope you all find this useful. It's 3 now. Maybe we'll wait 1 minute, one more minute before starting. I see people are joining now. Yeah, so I guess all of you have been using Google Slides regularly for your classes or for your therapy sessions. Google Slides, like any other Google platform, it has a lot of collaborative, interactive features, and so that is what I want to demonstrate some. And also, like after the Jamboard session, we got some feedback that we need some software where audio input is there. So kids who might need hearing practice, if there is, or even to make it more multimedia and make it more engaging, if there is a possibility of adding audio, which Jamboard did not have. But Google Slides, you can make it both an audio visual presentation. So that is what that I'll be showing that also today. So let's go into the session. So first, I'll show you a simple activity. For that, as usual, I have some volunteers. I have Veena there. Uh, Soumya, are you there? Veena, yours is Veena M at nish.ac.in, right?
Yeah, Akila,
Yes.
I'm there. But
Soumya.
yeah, I'm at present with my mobile and I'm eating.
Okay, so you can't. You won't be able to join this activity, right?
Yeah, not
Okay,
now.
that's okay.
After I
Okay,
finish my lunch.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I'll share it with Amit. Amit, you're ready with your phone or laptop, anything. Amit told me to wait for a while. Amit, have you started recording?
I started recording in two laptops, so I'm sitting right now. So wait for a few seconds.
Okay, then Amit, I'm
Okay, let's
echoing.
start.
You no, if you can't join the demo, it's okay. You focus on recording.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have Veena. Would anyone else like? Amit, please mute yourself.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, so Amit is already we are recording the interpreter signing as well as the screen, because for YouTube we want both. So Amit is busy with that, so I won't trouble him with the demo. We have Veena. I need some more volunteers if anyone is interested. If you have your PC or your phone with you and you would like to try out some activities, is anyone else interested? Just unmute yourself and okay. Manju, you can only message. That's okay, Manju. You can message your feedback, but I will share it with you. Okay. If anyone else wants to volunteer, please unmute and let me know. I will add you. So I'm sending this. And while they open, we can start making this thing. So what I'm going to do is there is this useful background feature in Google Slides. So you have to click on background, and then you can here you have choose image. So I'm going to choose an image. I'm going to Google search for the image. I need a tree cartoon. Okay. Let me choose a nice one. Yeah, this first one itself looks quite good. So now the tree is in the background, meaning I can't move the tree, so it's fixed. If it was a normal, ordinary photo, you will be able to move the element around, right? But if it's a background, it's fixed there. So that's the advantage of having a tree, which is having it as a background. And now I'm going to insert a basket also. So I think it's better if the basket is also inserted in the background. So what you have to do is then make a new picture combining these two. But that's beyond the scope of this demo. So I'll just show it like this. If anyone else is interested to do this activity, please contact me and I'll show you a better way to do this. But for now, I'm going to go with this. Now I'm going to get some apples. Veena, I don't see you on this file. Are you having problem opening it? I've already shared it with you.
I'll let me check
Okay.
once.
Manju is here. So I got my apples. So now I'm going to place my apples on the tree. And now I just copy paste more. So you can just copy and you can paste. And I'll paste more. Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay. So I'm going to just place my apples there on the tree. So Veena and Manju, your activity is to pick the apples from the tree and drop them in the basket. Yeah, I see Veena doing that and Manju has already started doing that. Okay, so this basket moved because can you hope you're able to see Manju and Veena are doing that. Yeah. So Veena, you're doing it from your phone, right?
No, I'm doing it from my laptop.
Can you do it from your phone?
Yeah,
I because most of our clients are using phone. It's
yeah, yeah.
better
I'll
if
I'll do
you.
it. I'll do it.
So, like you were seeing, when they did it, somebody moved the basket by mistake. So, the solution would be to make the basket also in the background. So that can be easily done. But in yeah, here I haven't done that, and it's better to maybe make the apple smaller. Yeah. So Manju and Veena quickly put all the apples in the basket. I want Veena to try this activity from her phone. So Veena, I'm putting two apples there, and you can.
Okay. Mm, okay, I can move it.
Yeah, but show us. I can't.
No,
Okay,
I
okay,
am
yeah,
moving it,
yeah.
but it's difficult.
Oh, it's difficult. Let me try making the apple bigger. You let me
uh,
know if that is easier.
that's little easy.
Okay.
When it was small, it was difficult. It
Yeah,
goes on rotating.
yeah. Yeah, so that is the thing. Like a lot of people who tried Google Jamboard said it's easier if the student or the client has a computer. But Jamboard can also be used if you make the elements bigger. Then it's easy for the kid to manipulate in a phone screen also. Yeah, so this activity, I think you can use it. You can think of more ideas and use it creatively. This drag and drop function for like you make something in the background which is immovable, and some you insert some pictures which are movable, and you make some activities. And many kids can do it at the same time. So you can even have a game like two baskets, and which kid gets more apple in their basket, something like that. So it's up to you. And we can go to the next activity. So here, what we are trying to do in this is we want the kid to click on the green card. If the kid clicks on the green card, the kid gets a positive reinforcement, a smiley face. If the kid clicks anywhere else on the screen, it goes to a different face saying sorry, click here to try again, like that. So now we'll see how to do this. So I've basically inserted the three rectangles in different colors, and then I written click for instruction. And now I'm going to insert the audio clip. So in insert, you have this third option, audio. So you click on that. And here in my drive, I've already recorded the audio, and I've saved it here. So you can record your audio using any voice recorder. It has to be in MP3 format. Um, so I'm choosing one of the audio files, and now this audio file is here, and I'm going to relocate it. So I'm putting it there at the top. So now you get a nice click for instruction, and here you have many options. Like you can start playing this audio when clicked, or you can start playing this audio automatically when the slide is reached, or you can also loop the audio. Like the audio can keep repeating till you change the slide. So I prefer to click on the instruction, and I don't want it to loop, so that I've left it like that. And now I'm going to uh, so here I've created two slides, just two plain slides with one sorry face and click here to try again, and then one smiley face for positive reinforcement, and to replay the game. And I'm going to now, after you click on the green card, and here again you have insert. You have an option link. You can either go here and click, or you can click Control K. You will get the option. And in link, you choose slides in this presentation. So I need the last slide, right? That is where my positive reinforcement is. So I click on my last slide and I apply. And if the kid clicks on the green card, it should go to the next slide. So I'm going to do that. Next slide. Or even if it's in any other part of the presentation, you can do that. Now, if the kid clicks by accident somewhere outside these three cards, then it's going to be a problem, right? So that is one way to overcome that. You insert one big rectangle, fill the entire slide with it, and make the color transparent. And you can send it to the back. In order, you send it to the back. And now this you link it to The same slide, which is slide 2. So anywhere else, if the kid clicks, nothing will happen. It will remain in the same slide. So this slide is done. Now I'm going to go to the next slide. Here I'm going to insert an audio saying try again. Yeah, and that can play automatically, right? So when the kid clicks something wrongly, it plays automatically. And now I'm going to link these two to the previous slide, which is going back to the game. And again, I'm going to insert a rectangle and make it transparent and link it to the same slide so that if by mistake the child clicks somewhere else, nothing happens. Oops. And now the next slide, I'm going to insert an audio clip here also. That's right, very good. So that's the audio here. And when the child clicks on this button, it should go back to the game again. And again, I will insert one rectangle so that if the child clicks anywhere else on the screen, nothing happens. So remember, the rectangle has to link to the same slide. Yeah. So now let me check if it's working. Click on the green card. Okay, so this audio, I didn't make it to make it automatic. Let me correct that. This audio has to come automatically. Okay. So Manju and Veena, you can also go to the presentation mode. So for this to work out, you have to go to the presentation mode and you can try this activity. Click on the green card. That's right. Very good. So now I'm clicking anywhere else on this slide, nothing will happen. But when I click on this red button to replay, it goes back here. And again, I click for instruction. Click on the green card. I can click this instruction. I can hear the instruction any number of times. And now I click on the red. No, try again. So I get this. And if I click anywhere else on the screen, nothing happens. If I click on anywhere here, it should go back, which it's not doing that. Let me check what's happening here. Okay, so this rectangle has to go to the back. Now it's overshadowing the other two elements. Now it should work. So let me choose a wrong option. Yeah, I'm choosing a wrong option. No, try again. And then I click here, it goes back to the game. I click blue. No, try again. Now it goes back. Yeah. So I want to know Manju, feedback from Manju and Veena. Veena, did you try it in your phone?
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Okay. You have to go to present mode. So slideshow.
Okay.
So this activity can be another file, and you can share the file with view permission only. You know how to do that, right? Here you have editor, viewer. So just with the viewer option, you share to the kids, and then they won't be able to manipulate any objects here. They will. You have to tell them go and start the presentation and try the activity. And actually, I would like someone, even without the Google Slides app, I am going to paste this link in the chat box. Manju, you're not able to hear the audio. Probably because are you using in your phone or PC? In the phone, if you're using two apps, you should be able to hear Manju. What about Veena? Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm able to hear it.
Okay. Manju, are you signed into your niche account in Google Slides? Okay, Veena is able to hear it. Yeah, the important thing is these audio files that we are inserting, right? Those have to be shared with the viewer. Otherwise, they won't be able to hear the audio files. So in Google Drive, once you save the audio files, you have to change the permission and make it viewable by anybody. So you can see in all the any Google document or Google Drive, at the bottom you have this get link, and you can change this to anyone with the link will be able to view. Like that, you can change. Like that, you do it for all the audio files. So I hope everyone has been following this activity. It's very easy to create, right? Veena, how do you think it will be
Yeah,
useful?
yes, it will be useful, Agla. I
Yeah.
was I was exploring.
Okay. Yeah. Then that is the second activity, and now the last activity. I'll show you how to create an animation using Google Slides. So this is just to make your uh, class interesting. If you are going to have some storytelling session or something, maybe I will do. Uh, what can the animation be on? Does anyone have? You have any topic in your mind? This of what the animation could be? Maybe under the sea or a rocket going reaching the moon. Do you have anything that you want to try? You want me to try out? Any simple animation like some objects moving on the screen. Does anyone have any?
Stars.
Okay, stars. What will the stars be doing?
Want to blink the stars.
Blink the stars. Okay, let me try that. Mm, star shining, right? Shine. Cartoon. Okay, let me try that. If there's something, maybe I'll make clouds that will be moving.
Okay.
Then I'll have moon.
Ma'am, what are you doing? We can't able to see that.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah. Now?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you for pointing out. So actually, I'm just inserting the images. I'm yet to make the. So now it's a night sky, right? So let me change the background. I'll choose dark. Maybe I'll make more stars. Veena, this is a very difficult one, but let me try.
I'm sorry, Akila.
That's okay. But I'm expecting if all goes well, this will be very cute, beautiful to look at. Okay, so now my elements are ready. I have now. I'm what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this slide and I'm going to paste it. So now I have two copies of the same slide, right? So in the next slide, what I'll do is I'll move a little bit. So I moved the moon a little, and now you want the stars to shine, no? So maybe I will, when it's blinking, maybe I'll make it grow bigger and smaller like that alternately. So then it will be like blinking. So now I'll make this star a little bigger, and this star a little bigger, and this star a little smaller, and this star a little smaller, and this star a little bigger. And now this slide I have to copy and I have to paste. And now here I will move the moon further this side. Maybe the cloud can also move a little bit. And this star, I'll make it smaller. This, I'll make it bigger. So I'm just doing it random and I'm hoping that it will create a blinking effect later. Let me just try. And I'm making this smaller. And now this slide I copy and I create a copy, and there I move this moon a bit further. It's behind the cloud, and maybe I'll move the cloud also a little bit. And the star, I'll make it bigger. This star will be smaller. This star will be bigger. Make this smaller, bigger. And now I'll copy and paste. So you kind of get the idea. I am in every slide I move the things a little bit, and I alternate between. So it's easier if it's a simpler thing, like one boy walking or somebody falling, somebody hitting something going and eating a food like that. So the next will be my last slide. Okay, don't worry, I'll finish this. So now I'm going to make my moon come out really fast, or maybe one more slide for that. Yeah, I'll make one more slide so that I can get my moon outside. And the stars will give a final blink. Okay, so this is done. And now what you have to do is you go to File, and there's this option called Publish to the Web. So you click that. So there are options here: start slideshow as soon as the player loads, restart the slideshow after the last slide, meaning it will keep looping over and over. And there is auto advance. So I'm going to make it every second. Auto advance meaning the slideshow will happen without clicking or anything. You can restrict access within niche, or you don't have to do that. I'm going to publish it now. Selection. Yeah, so I have got the link here. This is the published link. And now I'm going to copy it. And now I can paste it here. Paste it in another place. So you see this happening, right? Veena, are you able to see this?
Yes, Akila, that's nice.
Yeah. Now what you can do is, maybe this is very slow. So if you want to make it
Okay.
faster, you pause this. At the top, this link, no? Here you go to this true and delay ms equal to 1000. 1000 meaning 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second. So now you can reduce the. So what is happening is, for every second one slide is changing. You can reduce this time so that the change happens faster. I'm going to make it 500 millisecond. So I just changed the number 1000 into 500, and it will reload, and now it's faster. So the more you decrease, you make it 100, it will be even faster. And now you can just share this link with your kid. So I'm now going to share this with in the chat box, and all of you can check it out. Let me know in the chat box if you are able to see the animation. Okay, great. Yeah, so these are the three activities that I had for you today at CATI Confabs. If you have any questions on this, if you have, and if you're going to use any of these features in your sessions, I would be very happy if you can record your session or invite me to your session and I can observe the kids using it. Or if you can even record it and share it with me, it'll be great. If you have any questions now, you can unmute and ask, or if you have any feedback or if you want anything for the next sessions, if you have any questions, please feel free to share now. I can also help you with your content creation for your sessions and class. If you want me to do anything, any activity in slides or Jamboard, you can share your slide with me or your Jamboard. Some people have already been doing it. I can help you make it better. Manju, so you asked about the background, right? So here it would have been nice if the basket was also in the background, right? So what you can do is, I'm going to copy this and, oh, sorry, I shared this tab. Yeah, I went back to this. So now I'm going to delete everything else except the basket and the tree. And I'm going to try to embed the basket also in the background so that the kids don't move it around. Now what I'm going to do is it's actually very simple. You can either save the slide as a picture file. You can do that here. Mm, yeah, you can download the current slide as a JPEG. Yeah, that's downloaded now. And then you add that JPEG as a background. So I'll do that here. So now I have added the, so now the basket is also in the background. You can't move it. And now you can add the apples as image files. Did that answer your question, Manju? Yeah. Manju says yes in the chat box. Any other questions? If not, we can disperse because it's a short, meant to be a short session. We don't want to waste anyone's time. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming. Yeah, I'm seeing all the chat box messages. Thank you so much for the positive feedback. Thank you, Deepika, for interpreting.
Thank you, ma'am.